Welcome everyone to the first official episode of Masterchef. Now, today, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be seeing if we're McChicken level. And also, if you're wondering what happened to Chip, man, I don't know what happened to him, honestly. He didn't get kidnapped, he didn't get snatched.
He's not dead. There was no torture scene. None of that. I just wanted to let y'all know that this is a completely normal event. And don't ask questions.
Alright, so we'll get started. And so, for today's episode, we're gonna be cooking a chicken sandwich. Our goal is to at least reach McDonald's level quality. I'm a master chef, I swear.
Stop the cap.
So let's start with the cooking, okay? And I forgot the pan. Yes, that's what it's called. English. Don't ask questions. Okay, so we're gonna get to and I didn't wash my and we don't even have this is freaking normal I'm using normal soap.
Oh my god.
Hell no, man. I know what I'm doing. I swear I know what I'm doing. I'm not using dish soap to wash my hands. Master Chef here. Assistant, don't give me that look, okay? Yeah, just let me grab this. There's no trash can here, is there? Freaking Kobe, I don't know. So we're gonna start by, we don't even have half the ingredients.
Master Chef.
Yeah, Master Chef, don't worry. I got lettuce, I got ketchup, barbecue sauce, yeah, fuck it. Yes. Shit.
Okay.
What the frick is a fly doing in? Okay. Nothing. I'm a master chef. What the frick we got spinach for? Okay, cheese. Yes, cheese. That's like cheese part 2. Beans. Yeah. That works. Yes. Yeah. Master Chef here. Master Chef. Someone's gonna edit this out, right? So. All right, everyone. So we're gonna start by putting the things in the pan. I totally didn't forget the butter.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Master Chef, I've told you guys a million times. Master Chef. Gordon Ramsay level, I would say. Please don't watch this.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
This kitchen knife is totally clean, totally ready to be used. No question should be asked. So we're gonna start by we're gonna start by getting the bread. If you're wondering why we don't have buns, listen, man. I made it out the hood. Don't mean I'm freaking rich. Okay. Master Chef here, I know what I'm doing. The fact that I wasn't even faking and acting for that is insane. But anyway, so like first, we're gonna be placing the butter here, yes, on the pan. So first we just gotta heat this up a bit, Always put it on mid-temperature, not too hot, You don't want to like burn your crap. I should have used the wooden spoon for this. Why am I using a knife to spread this? Masterchef. Masterchef, guys, trust in the process. This is really inefficient. Give me a second. Alright guys, so I totally found the wood. Alright guys, I found the wood. You guys, this is totally made out of wood. If you say it's not, you clearly haven't heard of birch trees, alright? White wood that's got a steely look. I don't know, you ever been to Steel Forest? Or Ironwood? Yeah, it's that, trust. Trust. So first, we're gonna start by placing a piece of bread. Because we gotta toast this properly. And then you want to turn up the temperature to 6, not too high, or else you'll be left with a burnt piece of toast. And I have 100% confidence because I'm Master Chef here. Master Chef, S tier level. Alright? We can totally afford the production value of this. Now, as that starts to cook, we have to get our other ingredients ready. Now, just because I'm lazy, we're gonna cook them both at the same time. Now, we got our patty here, and this is the most important part. It is not frozen as a rock. I told someone to defrost this. Y'all didn't defrost this for me?
No!
Okay, whatever. Alright, so back where we left off, as you can see here, nothing has changed. If you notice anything different, you're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself, your ideals, and your truths. Alright, so back over here, as you can see over here, we have the bread, our buttery. Alright, so, we have it at a low temperature. Now what you want to do is like increase the temperature just a bit. Don't increase it too much. You don't want to burn the house down or make a lot of fire, activate an alarm. So as you can see here, we're gonna flip our sandwich. Take a look at that. Cameraman, take a look at it. Take a look at that. Yeah. We can see the buttery quality. This one is as buttered. Yes. Why is it not the same level? As you can see, when you're a master chef, you can easily get, the variety and like the same amounts of butter and quality on both pieces of bread. Totally, it's still not. So let's continue here. All right. What do we do next? No, Master Chef. So the next thing we're gonna do is Alright, so let's focus on our patties next, and hold on guys, nothing to see here. Get your ass over here. Get your ass over here. So you want to explain to me how my brother in Christ, we moved studios because we couldn't afford the old one. Yeah? And you're telling me your ass still couldn't defrost the damn chicken. Look, I don't know how to defrost the chicken. How do you know? Still hard to do. You're fired. No. Alright guys, so now we gotta defrost the chicken. Bruh. That works, right?
So that's how you defrost the chicken.
Get the freak out of my own. Anyway, we gotta check on our. You burnt it! Now, as you can see, we just want some extra crispy. How is it still uneven? How is it unevenly burnt? It's not burnt. Master Chef. Now, as you can see here. As you can see here, this is being willfully cooked, skillfully cooked. It's just a light toasting, guys. It's a light toasting. Like, I'm a master chef. Like, I made this.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
I am a professional.
If I was in prison, I would not ask for this food. I'm sorry.
But well, can you quiet your mouth?
No.
This is a professional show.
Professional.
What is that?
It is. Bro, look at this, guys. Nice, crispy toast. Okay.
Good meals.
My guy, I made it out the hood, and now I have to come back to it because of the show. Now I need somehow As you can see here, folks, we're properly cooking this, so yeah, cameraman, we're properly cooking this. Now who the fuck? Who the frick? I told you guys to get me a proper studio. What is this? Get my assistant in here.
Bro, this was legit. All we had in our budget, it was $2. $2. This ain't even Dollar Tree level. Bro, we got this from a Dollar Tree. We don't even need it. Who's the carpenter you hired?
Just gotta finish.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is the final product. So, Masterchef here, professional chef. So, as you can see here, we got our melted cheese. We got our melted cheese. We got our nice crispy chicken sandwich. Now all we gotta do is add our greens.
I like my cheese.
No, don't ask.
I like my cheese drippy, bro. Look, when I said I wanted my cheese drippy, I didn't mean it like that.
We add our special.
What's the point?
We add our. We add our and like that will be all. Now this is only our first chicken sandwich of the tutorial. So Master Chef here, we will go give this to the taste tester. Let's get a nice plate. As you can see, for our first chicken sandwich here, recipe very good, crispy, nice like chicken sandwich. So here we have our taste tester here. Anyway, I have perfectly cleaned this. I've washed myself. Ignore the sauces on the table. So just take a bite of that and try that.
This looks like ass.
I will. They will find your body if you say that again. So anyway,
I am disgusted.
what was that, good sir?
Patrick?
Yeah, no. Like it's clearly cheese.
No.
The burnt part.
Yeah.
This is not McChicken though.
What did? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong with this?